What up, YouTube? Doing our first test drive on the Honda Civic 2018 or 17. Got the turbo on here, and I'm gonna see how it feels to rock one of these because never drove one. These are the L15 B7 turbos, so this is a sport model. It's got some, little carbon fiber touches. Probably not real, but looks nice. Or you think it's real? Nah. It's a nice car. Let's take this thing for a test drive. Cheers. Here, you want to hold the camera. Oh, there you go.
My bad. Forget the brake.
Yeah, is that down? Does that work?
Yeah.
All right.
Brake.
Do I hit the... Oh, that's good? All right. This is new. This is new to me. I don't know none of this stuff. I'm in that OG squad. All right. Sure we don't hit nothing? If anything, though, just get the front of it. That way this shows like a point of view. Feels good, though, dude. I like this. This is definitely worth the money. Super quiet. With that brake going in the back. See if this is faster than a K-Series car. Nice torque.
So,
Let it warm up now.
big difference between this eco mode and then plug with it right now.
What mode is it in right now?
Regular.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it feels good. It's got a nice torque throttle response. I mean, if you probably did a nice flash on here, I think it'd be pretty cool. Saves good gas too. How much do you get? Like 40 miles to the gallon?
Freeway, yeah. Around town, 30.
Feels real sturdy too. Yeah, it's a comfortable car, man. I recommend getting it if anybody's interested in getting what's this, an EX Sport?
It's a sport hatch.
Sport hatch. Shifter feels really nice.
She sings to you.
Yeah. Oh, traction control. It's really smooth, dude. The torque kicks in, turbo kicks in nice for a single cam. Or no, this is not a single cam. Sorry, dual cam. But for a 1.5, I like it. Still though, you still gotta love real true VTEC, man. I mean, this thing is super quiet.
Oh shit.
Let's see what this thing can do. How do you turn traction control off?
Left side.
Oh, okay.
How would it?
It's off. All right. Oh shit, it does. It's honestly about the same, dude. It's very, very close with the K20 swap car.
Straight if you want.
I think it'd give it a run for its money. But I mean, for a newer car, I like it. It's definitely something I would do. All the thing is that it hooks. Yeah, this car honestly just needs some bolt-ons, dude. With some bolt-ons, I can see this car going like 13s easy. I'm not sure what they run stock, but I like it, dude. I mean, I wouldn't mind having one of these. I wouldn't get a Type R. I would just get one of these and just modify it. And I think I've seen I've seen the SI modified take on the Civic Type R and it beat it actually. So this is no doubt.
a struggle. You can feel the difference now. Eco moved on.
It's an Eco.
Step on it.
I mean, it still
Shit,
gets,
huh?
it doesn't do much, but it's still, I mean, for economical, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, it feels good, dude. Like, for this car, for the power you get, reliability, I like it. I mean, it's a Civic. It does its job. It's a good car. And for anybody who hasn't subscribed, make sure you do that. Hit the notification, share, and you know, just comment. Let me know what you guys think about this car. Should we modify it? Should we do like downpipes, a tune? What do you think we should do to this car? It's got a lot of potential. I especially like it because it's a 6-speed. I wonder how good these trannies are in the long run, you know, because obviously the K series has the problem with the second and third gear. So I'm just curious to see what's going to be going on with these cars. Also, if you haven't, I got my Instagram going on. K series works. Check it out. And yeah, like I said, that's probably going to be the end of the video. Just let me know what you guys think we should do to this car. Might do some modifies soon. And that'll be it. I'll see you guys later.